I'm Dr. 𝗍𝗶𝘀𝗶 from SKIMS. I'm a professor in surgery. I have come because of Medtronics got me here to watch Dr. Jammu do bariatric procedures here. It's a 2 days marathon. We have gone through almost 11-12 cases so far. It's a very good experience. We get to see many procedures, and MGB is something which I want to be which I'm really interested in. And I think what I have been able to absorb here, I think I can be able to reciprocate the same thing at my own place, and we should be able to start. We haven't started an MGB, but seeing the way he has done it has made it so easy for us to understand, and I think we should be able to do it back home. And I'm really thankful to Medtronics also, because they have been very kind enough to get us to this function. I think we'll go back home with good memories and go back and start this procedure.